Have you ever pondered the potential of your thoughts to bend the very fabric of reality? This question may sound like a riddle from a fantastical tale, but it's a query rooted in the ancient art of manifestation. This technique, shrouded in mystery and practiced in secrecy by societies through the ages, wields the power to influence destinies and alter the course of events. It's a potent force, a secret formula capable of intertwining our desires with the cosmos to manifest the deepest yearnings of the human heart. Imagine, if you will, the ability to mold reality, to channel the essence of your emotions, your thoughts into the material world. This isn't a mere daydreaming, but a time-honored science whispered down through the generations, revered by secret societies, and now stepping into the light for us all to explore. And so, we embark on this journey of discovery, delving into the emotional alchemy at the heart of manifestation and the secrets of the energetic ball theory known only to the initiated. But what exactly is the art of manifestation? It's more than just a simple desire. It's an alignment, a harmonization of our deepest emotions, thoughts, and actions. It's about emitting a frequency that resonates with the universe, compelling it to respond. The journey of manifestation begins with setting a powerful intention, a crystal-clear objective that becomes an undeniable reality in the mind's eye. This clarity, this focus, is the first thread in the tapestry of your desired reality. For centuries, secret societies have understood that for manifestation to occur, one's emotions, thoughts, and actions must align in perfect harmony. This trinity forms the cornerstone of the manifestation process, a guarded formula passed down selectively through generations. And as we delve deeper into this process, we begin to unravel the pivotal role of emotion, where ancient wisdom reveals our feelings as not merely reactions, but potent catalysts for reality's transformation. We stand on the precipice of unveiling this esoteric wisdom, a formula that intertwines desire with the cosmos to manifest the deepest yearnings of our hearts. So join us as we journey through hidden realms of power and intention, where the boundary between belief and skepticism blurs, offering a transformative understanding of reality and the means to shape it. Envision the power to mold reality, to channel your thoughts and emotions into the material world. This is the essence of true manifestation, a practice that transcends mere desire. It is an art form that harmonizes your deepest emotions, thoughts, and actions into a frequency that reverberates within the cosmos, compelling the universe to respond. The path to manifestation isn't a simple wish upon a star, but a journey that begins with a powerful intention. It is not a fleeting whim or a passing fancy, but a crystal-clear objective that you can see, feel, and believe in. This intention becomes so real within your mind's eye that it is as undeniable as the air you breathe. With this profound clarity, you are setting the stage for your desires to take shape, to materialize into existence. This process of manifestation isn't a newfound science, but an ancient art, preserved by secret societies over centuries. The guardians of this knowledge understood the power of alignment. They knew that for your desires to manifest into reality, your emotions, thoughts, and actions must resonate in perfect harmony. This trinity forms the cornerstone of the manifestation process, a formula so potent that it was passed down selectively through generations. As we delve deeper into this process, we uncover the pivotal role of emotion. The ancient wisdom reveals that emotions are not mere reactions to external stimuli, but powerful catalysts capable of transforming the very fabric of reality. They serve as the bridge between the realm of thought and the physical world. By understanding and harnessing this power, you can turn your dreams into tangible realities. The art of true manifestation is a dialogue with the universe, an exchange of energy that is as real as the gravity that keeps us grounded on Earth. It is a dance of frequencies, a symphony of vibrations that you can learn to conduct. By setting a clear intention, aligning your emotions, thoughts, and actions, and resonating with the universe, you become an active participant in the creation of your reality. This clarity of intention is the first thread in the tapestry of your desired reality. For manifestation to occur, there must be a perfect harmony of emotions, thoughts, and actions. This is the trinity of manifestation, a triad that forms the cornerstone of this transformative process. It's a potent formula, safeguarded by secret societies and whispered among the initiated, now laid bare for us all to comprehend. To truly grasp the power of this trinity, we must first understand each component and its role in the manifestation process. Emotions, thoughts, and actions are not isolated elements, but interconnected facets of our being that, when aligned, can alter the very fabric of our reality. Emotions, the first element of this trinity, are the language of the universe. They are not mere reactions to external stimuli, but rather they are the energetic currents that flow within us, connecting our inner world to the cosmos. They are the heartbeat of our desires, pulsating with the rhythm of our deepest yearnings. When harnessed correctly, our emotions become potent catalysts for the creation of our reality. Next, we have thoughts. These are the architects of our reality, the blueprint of our desires. They shape our perception of the world, determining the form and substance of our manifested desires. Our thoughts are the seeds of our reality, planted in the fertile ground of our consciousness and nourished by the waters of our emotions. Finally, we have actions. They are the physical embodiment of our desires, the tangible expression of our thoughts and emotions. They are the bridge between the realm of the possible and the actual, the conduit through which our desires are brought into the physical world. Actions are the final piece of the manifestation puzzle, the necessary step that brings our desires from the realm of the abstract into the realm of the concrete. The alignment of these three elements, emotions, thoughts, and actions, forms the sacred trinity of manifestation. It's a process of inner alignment, a dance of energies that, when performed with intention and awareness, can bend the very fabric of reality to our will. Our emotions are not mere reactions, but potent catalysts for reality's transformation. In the pulsations of the emotional sea, we find the genesis of worlds. These profound words echo the core belief of ancient secret societies, that emotions are the language of the universe, capable of transforming desires into tangible realities. The universe, in its vastness and complexity, is not a silent entity. It communicates through a language that transcends spoken words or written scripts. This language is the language of emotions. Like an artist who uses colors and strokes to create a masterpiece, the universe employs our emotional hues to weave the tapestry of our realities. This concept might sound metaphysical, but it's rooted in the ancient wisdom of secret societies such as the Rosicrucians and the Hermetic Order of the Golden Dawn. These societies revered emotions as potent catalysts, the bridge connecting the realm of thought to the physical world. They understood that our feelings, our joys, our fears, our love, and our sorrow all send out vibrations that ripple across the cosmos. These ripples, like hands reaching out into the universe, touch the fabric of reality, molding it, shaping it, transforming it in alignment with their intrinsic qualities. The power of this emotion-based language is extraordinary, but it requires mastery. It's not enough to simply feel. These emotions must be guided, directed with purpose and intention. They must be recognized, understood, and then channeled positively. Think of it as a dialogue with the universe, a conversation where emotions articulate the frequencies that attract energies in harmony with their essence. So how do we engage in this cosmic conversation? It starts with mindfulness, with cultivating an awareness of our emotional state. It continues with visualization, with dreaming purposefully, transforming whimsical thought into profound dialogue. And it culminates with gratitude, an emotion that resonates with abundance, attracting more of what we're thankful for into our lives. In conclusion, our emotions are not mere reactions, but the very language that the universe understands. They are the keys to the kingdom of manifestation, the tools we use to shape our reality. Our emotions articulate frequencies that attract energies in harmony with their essence. To harness emotions in manifestation, we must guide them intentionally. This is the key to mastering the art of manifestation, a journey paved with self-awareness, mindfulness, and visualization. The first step is to cultivate an acute awareness of your emotional state. The ancient secret societies understood that our emotional frequencies have the power to shape our realities. By becoming aware of these frequencies, we gain the ability to guide them, to shape them in alignment with our desires. This awareness is not a passive observation, but an active understanding, a deep, intimate connection with the emotional sea within us. The next step is practicing mindfulness. Mindfulness is the art of being wholly present, of grounding oneself in the here and now. It is a state of acute awareness where we can observe our emotions without judgment. This practice allows us to navigate our emotional frequencies, to understand their ebb and flow, and to guide them towards the desired outcomes. Visualization is the third step. It is the process of painting a vivid picture of our desired reality in the mind's eye. Visualization allows us to mold our emotions, to channel them into creating the reality we want. It is in this step that a profound dialogue with the universe begins, where our emotions articulate the language of manifestation and our desires start taking a tangible form. Finally, we arrive at the power of gratitude. Gratitude is a potent emotion that resonates with abundance. When we express gratitude, we emit a frequency that attracts more of what we are thankful for. It is an emotional feedback loop, a cycle of abundance that amplifies with each iteration. The art of manifestation is a journey of self-discovery, a voyage through the hidden realms of power and intention. It is the path to mastering the energetic dialogue with the universe, to bending reality to your will. With gratitude, we resonate with abundance, attracting more of what we are thankful for into our lives. This is the transformative understanding of reality and the means to shape it.